Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I will show you how to put this device into download mode. Now, before we get started, we will need a cable. Plug it into your computer. That can be Windows or Mac computer, doesn't matter. And then connect it to your tablet. From here, simply power it off, so power key, power off, and let's wait for it to turn off. So from here, once it's off, you want to hold the volume up and down. So as you can see, I'm holding both of the keys. And there we go. Now, I know it's barely visible, so let me maybe fix it up. I'm going to turn off the lights. And I'm going to also flip this like so. This might not be the best quality here. But as you can see, there's the warning message and giving us a message that to continue to the download mode, we need to press volume up. So let's volume up, and now it's super bright. Amazing. So I'm gonna turn it down so you can actually see it. But yeah, there we go. As you can see, this is the download mode now. So that is how you would boot into it. And also, if you want to leave it, you have a message how to do it right here. So hold volume down and side key for more than 7 seconds. Now, side key is just the Samsung's stupid way of calling the power key because, you know, they needed to make it into a Bixby or whatever, Bixby key, whatever. So yeah, they basically removed the power function from it. So yeah. Now anyway, I'm gonna flip this over, unplug it, and turn on back the lights and adjust the lights actually around here. There we go. I guess that's good enough. So like we can see right here, volume down and power key to go back to Android. So I'm gonna hold this right now. Now the moment you start pressing those keys, it will, as you can see, dim the display for some reason. And as you can see now, it's booting back up. And there we go. We are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.